Bloodhunt crashing and stuttering on Windows PC. Part 1. Fix the crashing issue. 1. Switch to DX11, enter force DX11 into Steam's launch options. 2. Verify integrity of game files in Steam. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Part 2. Fix the stuttering issue. 2.1 Disable VSync in basic graphics settings. 2.2. Disable Steam overlay. 2.3. Enable game mode in Windows. 2.4 Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. 2.5.